Strategic Client Plan, SCP, is a 3.0 methodology that addresses both the planning and the execution of business in the B2B domain. The process starts by capturing and managing the knowledge we have about our client business together with the specific capabilities we might offer to it. The first block consists of the identification of the value drivers. Value drivers represent the available levers we have to develop our business with the client, such as the context of the vertical industry in which our client operates, and the specific knowledge about challenges, plans, and strategic initiatives of our client's business. The value drivers block is completed with the identification of our vertical industry offering and the specific capabilities we count on to serve that particular client. The second block of knowledge implies the identification of the client business's KPIs pertinent to the opportunities we might pursue. Additionally, we will record the detailed description of the client's ongoing contracts or installed base, either engaged by us or by our competitors. Another important piece of knowledge is the trade balance we keep with each particular client. This means a full awareness of how much revenue we obtain for the client and at the same time how much we eventually spend on it. A third interesting financial record is keeping track of our share of wallet to understand our competitive situation. Moving forward, given its importance, the relationship management deserves a separate chapter in the methodology. We will start by creating the client's organization chart and the influence map, complemented by the relationship development mosaic. The mosaic is a powerful tool that allows us to obtain a roadmap for the development of the relationship with the client by systematically and holistically assessing each of our client's contacts. Having done this, we will be ready to start the value management process. The identification of the value drivers serves two purposes. First, to transform our technical offers into a concrete value proposition for the client by means of matching the opportunities we are working on with both the client's business problems addressed by our solution and our specific credentials. SCP provides a complete opportunity management process including two additional tools: the client's decision criteria matrix and the relationship development mosaic, in this case for each specific opportunity. The opportunity snapshot will act as a corollary, resuming the entire assessment done in other sections, plus the provision of a blank field to articulate the opportunity value proposition. Also, at the opportunity snapshot, a detailed action plan will be automatically created on how to adequately manage such opportunity. The second byproduct of the value drivers identification is the pinpoint of those drivers that are still not being captured by a current opportunity, and hence could constitute potential growth opportunities of our business with the client. For doing so, we should ask ourselves questions such as, which of the client's problems have not been addressed by any opportunity? Which of our vertical offerings are not reflected in the pipeline, among other questions. In this way, the account team, taking advantage of the collaborative nature of the platform, will consolidate the strategic and tactic development plan, including a detailed roadmap to be executed. SCP, a 3.0 methodology for the planning and execution of business in the B2B domain.